and low. It sinks to the bottom, steady and slow. B is for bubbles, shiny and light. It rises and sparkles, a magical sight. C is for cannon, big and loud. It blasts through the air with a smoky cloud. D is for dolphin, fast and bright. Leaps from the sea in morning light. E is for easel, set to display. A painting begins in a bright, bold way. F is for feathers, soft and round. It gently floats without a sound. G is for geyser, bursting high. It shoots up steam into the sky. H is for hose, it twists and sprays. Loops and wiggles in playful ways. Let's sing the alphabet, come along. We'll learn each letter in this song. We'll follow through from A to Z. Come join the fun and sing with me. I is for insect, buzzing wings. It zips through the air and hums as it sings. J is for jackpot, treasure and gold. A pot overflows with the riches untold. K is for kite, up in the sky. It dips and dances as it breezes by. L is for lantern, glowing bright. It swings on a hook with gentle light. M is for marble, rolling free. It bumps and spins so playfully. N is for necktie, bold and bright. It flaps in the breeze from left to right. O is for oboe, loud and clear. It plays a song for all to hear. P is for pirate with a patch and a hat. He shouts ahoy as ships sail past. Let's sing the alphabet, come along. We'll learn each letter in this song. We'll follow through from A to Z. Come join the fun and sing with me. Q is for quarter, shiny and round. It spins on the floor and rolls with sound. R is for rainbow, arching high. It stretches wide across the sky. S is for spaceship, zooming high. It blasts past stars as it zooms on by. T is for tractor, big and loud. It rumbles through farms beneath the clouds. U is for umbrella, it opens up to block the rain that fills your cup. V is for vacuum, sleek and